Hello everybody, so welcome in this video. So in this video, we are going to learn about how to make our website live in the live server. To make the website live, we have to do some steps which are literally manual. We can't use the AI for this. For example, till now we were developing the website in the local environment. Now we have to move that website to the live environment. So the database which we have, that is in our local host, that we have to export that database and then import that in the live environment. Then the website files, the project files which we have to zip that file and upload that in the live environment. We have to do some changes in the env file. They are very simple. We have to just add the username and password of the database so that the project gets connected to the database and it starts fetching the data. So we have to do most of the things without the help of AI. This is the first video where we are not going to use AI. In most of the places, or maybe almost everywhere, we are not going to use AI just because of the security reasons and the exporting the database and all. We should not do that. We can do, but let's understand how to do it manually as well. So without wasting much time, let's jump on the screen and let's get started. So before we start, make sure your XAMPP server is on, because to export the database, we have to go to the local host. Okay. So let's turn on the database, click on start all. Now let's go to local host. Okay, local host, then my phpAdmin. So this is our database. So now this database, we have to export it and import it in the live server. So in this step, what we will do, we will just export the database. So what we have to do, this is our my notes application database. I will click on export here. You can give a name to your database, or else it will take it as my notes app by default. You just have to click on export. It's that simple. Your database is exported. Now, step number 2. Let's zip our project file. Document wipe code. So if you see, this is our project file. So what I have to do here is I will right click this and I will compress this file in Mac. In Windows, again, you have to zip the file, but make sure it is in .zip extension. So I will compress this file and the file will compress. So the zip and the database is exported. We are ready with 2 steps. Now let's go to the live server. We have already learned how to purchase a domain and the hosting in the last video. If you haven't watched that, please go and watch, so that you will know how to buy the domain and hosting in Hostinger, and also how to get an additional 20% discount using my referral. So this is my Hostinger account. Let's go to the store. Let's click on dashboard here. To the domain name, in front of the domain name, there will be one button called dashboard. Once you click on that, you will come to the website dashboard. Now what you have to do, you have to click on database here. So I'll click on database. Now here you have to give the name of database. You can see MySQL database name and MySQL database username. So you have to give the username and the database name to this specific one. I have given the name, database name and the username. So username, you can give it your name as well. I will just type it my name, Karan, my notes, like this. And password, let's generate it automatically. Okay, then I will just create this database. Once the database is created, you will see the database here. You have the database name mentioned here. You have the database username mentioned here, created at and on what store it is. So now let's go to my phpAdmin. So click on my phpAdmin, and here is your my phpAdmin for your my notes database. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to import the database. So I will click on import here. I will choose the file. Now the most important step what you have to do is scroll down at the end and make sure this specific option, do not use auto increment for 0 value, you should turn this off. Okay, this is the most important step. You should turn this off, or else the incremental value which is there in your database, it will not work. So you have to turn this off and then click on import. So once you click on import, all your database is imported. Now come back to our hostinger panel. Now here you have created the database. Now again click on the overview panel here and now go to file manager. So click on file manager here. Here you have to go to public underscore HTML. So inside this, you have to upload the files. Okay. For you, there might be a chance that there will be one file called default.php. You can delete that file. It's completely fine. You can delete that file. Now, in this place, the zip file which we created, we have to upload this zip file here. So I will drag and drop the zip file here and the zip file will be imported. Okay, you can see the file is getting uploaded here. Now this is the zip file which we have imported. Okay, now we have to unzip the file so that all the files are open here. So if you click on this button, which is extract, it will ask you where do you want to extract that. So simply create one folder called ext, which is extract, and click on extract. Cool. So all the files are uploaded to our server now. Now what you have to do is go to your dashboard and then again go to your database. And here you have to copy paste your database name, username, and a password. And where do you have to do that? You have to enter that in this env file. In this env file, focus on this specific area, which is your database name. This is database. So you have to copy your database name here. Then you have to copy your database username from here and you have to paste it here and the password of your database. You can keep the password directly or you can keep the password inside the quotes here if you are using a special characters in your password. Make sure there should not be space after the equal to sign in your database name, database username and password. And also you should not have a extra space after the last character of your database name, username and password. Okay. So once you do this, you just have to click on save, close this, come here, go to overview, and if you click on your domain name here, or you can directly go and type the domain name ziarastore.in, and your website is live, up and running. So this way we have made our website live, which is up and running. uh, there might be some errors once it is live. We have to go and check one by one and then we have to fix that errors. So let's start testing the website in live environment in the next video. So see you in the next one.